So this is the
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
start.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
I won't name it.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will tell you how to do
Change this into
a static load balance. So first you need to add
any color
for my
application
particular
theme.
OS
You can make
virtual like
anything. I mean
do like
anything, but
this.
for basic
Don't
iOS
forget
only,
to that the camera
can
option, remove it all like this. Okay,
some
and click set and add
stack
two virtual
and
computer
type your application name. Maybe my application
like
is
this. Okay, and just
sorry, my
make a topology
Victoria.
like this.
Maybe it's a good name.
Topology. Okay, so like this.
Sir, I already put the link to the
All right,
okay,
so
keep
here or no, this is for here,
so you can set this
and you need to
heading.
connect it
You
all
can medium,
the
simple,
cable like
extra
this.
bold, but
All right, just click
to
save
you maybe it's
and
small or semi bold.
next like this.
I'm gonna like it more.
Right here
This is
here
I know this is
and
too
Celtic
small.
3 to
So we
4 and
usually
this to
about
virtual PC
20 no
6
no no
and this virtual PC 5,
28.
and don't forget to
Yes.
start the
This
virtual
looks like normal. And
this, don't forget to start it. And first we need to s-
you
client
can make
name. This
anything.
virtual PC 5
You can
is
set anything
PC
as
client, so we need
your
to
what?
set the names
Your icons or
like
maybe
this.
your application. So I usually is and you can search it
No, no, not like
post
this, like
for
this.
icons.
And don't forget to
Yeah,
set
it's
the IP
sometime like
address
in
like
here.
this.
Maybe my theme is good, so I'll choose the icon is
Okay, like this, yeah.
good. Yeah,
Yes.
you can take anything what you want, and you can set the icon here.
All right. Wait for it duplicating the IP address. Okay, it's already done. And next to the server PC, set the PC name too. All right, like
And
this.
do it. It's cool, man. I'm more like to feel
All
or
right,
the
and next
share
IP.
this. This is my favorite. So I use this.
Or
And yeah,
P eight
this
eight four.
it's only the facts,
All
not
right,
all of the
it's already
fact.
done.
Because
And set
I don't
the
know
router, the
so
automatic.
how to do it.
So
Can
just turn it
only
all,
control
turn
X
it on.
and you
Click 5.
press
Forget to
control
log
C
in first.
and it's already
No password. Okay, click
or
and
you can
yeah, like this. You need
do
to close it first and open it again.
and then you enter this. Yeah, it's
Alright, you need to open
automatically
it again.
created.
Like this.
So
Enter.
this we're
Just click
gonna
enter
resize
and
it
set the
into
name
something.
router one.
In resize we use
System
scaling tool or you can press
identity
K.
set name
Let me see now.
R
Okay.
strip one,
No.
like this,
Click
and
this.
set the
This tool.
IP
And you press
address.
Shift
You
A.
can use like this,
It's not auto
add
layout, so it's make
and
sign type.
1.24 and interface. Set the interface IP, interface address,
Now it's learning.
ether
No.
one.
Next to the
Alright, and IP address again.
yeah, I mean for the basic we just use
Add IP address again,
so
like
we don't
this.
actually use this right now because previous I should
And choose the interface.
to onboarding.
Choose the interface. Ether
You
2,
can use
and again, add.
yeah. So I'm gonna use the basic now. So anyway, this is with my OS.
Uh,
You actions
set
and
the
go to the
also make
projects and
to
this search
admin
story
login password.
set by free people.
Close it and open it again.
Okay.
It
Just write a little patience. Hmm. Wait. Yeah, this need a long time. So these plugins give you many free image. So you can choose any style. I will say also, or you can, I don't know what kind of style it is.
Okay,
So
like this. Set
when people
start
have
to
its own style.
done. And next router,
So,
login pass.
so I'm gonna choose all style.
No password.
Or I usually like
Right.
bro. I don't know, like it's this cool. I mean, you can
Close
search
and
book.
run it again.
Okay,
Okay.
later search
Mm.
book.
Uh,
Or you can say
router 3.
reading
Okay, add. 20, 20, 20.
many,
Choose to
and maybe you
24.
can like or anything that is connected to the
Like
work my math.
this. Add.
So maybe this journalist. Look, it's kind of too big, man. We're gonna scanning it first.
Okay, it's 4.
Yes, but I think something is missing.
No. I have 4.
Where is this?
Okay, so guys, we post this session first because I need to go to the mosque. Don't go anyway. Stay here. And Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Well, so this selection.